Hello YouTube, got a little unboxing to do today, and this is a little package that come in today. It's a Kato P42 Amfleet Viewliner Intercity Express Phase 6. It's a little N-scale 4-card unit set. Now this here case looks a little bit unusual because you see this here, you usually wouldn't see this. This is a light board. Well, reason being, I got to put in a MRC sound decoder into this one. So we're going to get this thing undone. I'm going to put it on the track, and we're going to see how it sounds. I'll be right back. Okay, alright, I've got it out of the package. Here it is. It's got a little plastic cover on it. Some little dense foam it's into. And let's get the engine out. Oh yeah. This is nice. Little Phase 6. Man, that does look nice. Got 3 little coaches. Yeah, sleeper coach look like. Got some extra parts, detail parts for it. We'll be putting that all on. Like I said, this is the MRC. We put the original light board that was in it back into the MRC package here. So this ought to be pretty nice. So like I said, I'm going to get it on the track and get it programmed and get it going and see how it goes, see how it sounds. Be right back. Alright, we're back. Got the train on the track, and we're going to start her up. Lights come on, and the headlights on and off. You can blow the whistle. Ring the bell. Oh, some other sounds it's got. Letting the slack of the uncoupling deal. If you hit 8 twice, shuts the engine down. Let's start it back up though. Lights on. Get her moving. This is a nice toy train right here. I know a lot of y'all want to say, why did you call it a toy train? Because that's, to me, this is all this layout is. It's my toy train set. If there was a way that I could put a makeshift third rail into here, it'd be like an N-scale line L set. Toy train. That's all it is. Toy train set. And I hope to get some comments on that little remark. Toy train set. Remember, this is not a model railroad. This is a toy train. I'll come around one more time. I'll blow the whistle. And we're going to end this video. And I thank you for watching.